Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Roblox. So yeah, I've already played Roblox for like the past, I don't know, not 13. I don't know how many years, but let's play. That message you make. Let's do, I don't know. Let's play a murder mystery. Let's play a murder mystery. And I really want to be the murderer because it's fun. I clicked on it. Murder Mystery 2. I've never really played it, but I have played it with Ender Kitten. Don't forget to let's see. Zooming in and out in our own character, radio allowed, pets and toys allowed. First person only, characters discussing. No radio, no pets and toys. Only play with others hardcore. And then I already read this one. I'm gonna do chasm. Oh, blood all around. Why can't I move, guys? Why can't I move? Hold on, I can't move at all. Why can't I move? I'm innocent. Yeah, okay. But why? Why can't I move? Guys, I can't move. Okay, let's find a different game. Because it doesn't let me move. Stop saying the stupid hey. Fine, I'll say hey back. Hey. Hey. Making a bed, not now. Let's see, I'm in a club. Why do I always look at this? I don't know why. I'm gonna check. I've never played these games before. Who did this? Let's play. Be crushed by. Oh my God! Just leave the heck me alone. I don't know what I said. Let's play Speeding Walk. Speeding Walk. Hopefully we can like move in this because otherwise. Alright, we can. There we go. Now we can be speedy. Because I'm a speedy little fella. Alright, I'm out. You got to do this. I guess we go over here. Or should we go over here? I think we should go over here. I'm too fast. Oh, that was close. Let's watch pass. Nice. That's a lot of points. When did I get that many points? Probably my brother just playing. Am I stuck in? Oh, never mind. Alright, we're good. Oh, it's so cute. So cute, I'm gonna... Oh gosh. No! Oh god. Oh my god. Well, I can't really I don't really like to handle it like this, so I just like to go in first person. One. In class, they go. Hola. 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 Hola, 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 guys. I guess. Alright. I'm so sorry. But that was unexpected. Anyways, guys, I'm back. But let's find another game. Because I just kept getting killed and I wasn't very good at that. Epic mini games? Nah. Keep going. I'm gonna find something hard. Wait. Oh, right there. What is this? Looks nice. Looks creepy. Looks nice. Looks creepy. Let's play it. I want to play it. Play. Okay. Nobody's here. That doesn't look like an... Oh, gosh. Oh, we're doomed, guys. We're doomed. Oh, we're so doomed. Oh, we're so doomed. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's one of my favorite... It's my favorite I know what he's gonna throw. Just don't do it. Don't kill me. Please. Yeah, I thought so. Oh, gosh. Well, how did I die? How did I die? Let's go back in. Do you guys... I'm gonna put it on my volume for you guys. So guys, What is this music? Today.
What happened here to dim the lights of Hollywood's brightest showplace?
What is this?
Once again.
I can't see. That's just creepy.
Long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening.
That's supposed to be me with people, but I don't have any people with me. Ah! Guys, this is fun. Yeah, this is fun, but I think I'm in. Am I on the ground? What the heck? God, I'm on the ground. Oh God, that's in the wrong direction. It's a good. How do I get off of this? There we go. Give me some more. Come on, 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 come on. Oops. I have to close this. What is this? Ow! What the heck? That actually kind of made me fright, but guys, I don't, yeah. Well, anyways, I'll be right back. Well, that's it, guys. I think it's the end for this video. So I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.